Hello brothers and sisters, I'm the Bitcoin Commander. The battlefield situation is changing rapidly. Today's market is not just about K-line gaming, but also global geopolitics and macro sentiments, nuclear resonance. Today, Trump led a strong management team, and business leaders arrived in Beijing. This whirlwind visit directly injected into a shot in the arm to the market. Here is the commanders for our level. For our level hardcore in-depth deduction. From the big structure, our previous views remain unchanged. Bitcoin is not a trend change, but a standard intermediate shock. The price has risen from a low level. The increase is narrowing, but the overall trend remains a wedge-shaped closing pattern. This means that although the bullish momentum is declining, the upward trend has not ended. When will this wedge structure fail? Please hold on to the position of 78,000. As long as it doesn't fall below 78,000, this shock is for a better pull-up. Commander personally thinks 80,000 to 79,000 is the current strong support area, as long as it holds in this range. The follow-up target? The target is directly to 8,400, 8,500. To support our end of the wedge, the intact structural inference, we zoom in the chart to the 4-hour level. Using the most hardcore technical indicator to reveal the main forces cards, the current signal is already very clear. From the 4-hour Bollinger Bands chart, BTC price is currently around 81,100, is fluctuating narrowly. The upper and lower bands are closing. In the language of the chart, it means the calm before the storm. The turning point is coming.
We focus on the middle band,
about 81,065. The K-line precisely touched this position during pullback and formed a lower shadow and received effective support. The middle
is the lifeblood of our short-term trading.
As long as this position is not strongly penetrated by a large negative line, the bulls still hold the initiative on the battlefield. The current narrow range is accumulating ammunition for another attack, about 82,000 to stock up. Let's turn our attention to the most sensitive KDJ indicator for short-term trend. After experiencing the previous pullback, the indicator has completed a strong turn. Please pay attention to the details. The fastest responding line is currently reading 44.6 for it has risen from below, has precisely penetrated through, forming a standard short-term bottom golden cross. This is a very positive price action signal. It directly tells us that the short-term downward momentum has been exhausted. Airdrops can't be cut. The vanguard of the bulls is regrouping. The trigger for a short-term rebound has been pulled. MICT is the core of our judgment of trend continuation. Currently, although the fast and slow lines are still in a death cross. But don't panic, brothers. This is a water-based death cross above the zero axis. Water cross often represents a healthy correction in an uptrend, rather than a trend reversal. The key to breaking the deadlock lies in the momentum below. Please observe it. The red volume column representing bearish power is shrinking rapidly to the naked eye. The value has rebounded to around minus 84.9. This confirms that the selling pressure in the market is being digested. The main force is using a time-force-space strategy to wash away the unsteady profit-taking. Once the fast and slow lines are above, complete the second bond and form a golden cross, the bulls will burst out with overwhelming upward force. Finally, let's look at the volume and price. The current reading of CRSI is 77.1 at this position, indicating that the market is still in a strong state, although the indicator is slightly high.
But it has not entered an extreme top deviation
or overbought range. The upper ceiling has not yet reached. There is still room for growth. More importantly, the OBV indicator. The OBV value is stable at, staying around 25.25. During the Bitcoin price correction and retail investors panic, the OBV did not experience a sharp decline. What does this mean? This means that the main funds has not experienced a large-scale selling. Retail investors are selling, while the main force is buying. The current shock
is a completely healthy technical reshuffle.
Comprehensive structure and indicator. The current market is a shock wash of downstream iron. Target is up. The first line of defense is 801 to 806. The extreme stop loss is 78,000. Recently, there are many news, and the market will fluctuate. Bros, you must lower your leverage and strictly set stops. Let's stick together. Plan before you act to survive longer in this circle.
If you need more timely strategies and points,
welcome to join our Telegram community. Follow Commander. I will post in the public channel to promptly release alerts on sudden market changes.
Click the YouTube homepage link to join Bitcoin Commander.
See you in the next video. Bye.